Hello, I'm presenting you the second generation CCS2 connectors. With the same sleek design, the connector can support both natural cooling up to 250 amp and liquid cooling up to 700 amp. For the liquid cooling, we can support either oil or water coolant. The product has passed TÜV, UKCA, CB certification, and it's ready for your CCS2 chargers. With using the ultrasonic welding technology, the contact resistance between the pins and the wires can be reduced to nearly zero. Therefore, it can avoid the problem of overheating connectors during the fast charging session. In addition, we have developed this so-called terminal quick change system, which means you can replace the damaged pins in 10 minutes. It could give you a great advantage by cutting the maintenance cost of your CPO by 30%. We offer you ODM and OEM service, which means you can customize the length of the cable, color of the cable, and the pin type. Thank you.